Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and today we have a Natalie Attired unboxing to do, or unbagging as the case may be. So I really do like this subscription. It's pretty much just like all the other subscriptions. You pay the shipping or styling fee, however you want to phrase it. If you keep something, you get that back. You send everything back in a resealable envelope. They send you the mailer, all that good stuff. All the information about Natalie Attired and a referral link is down below. So if you want to know anything else, just check down there. But let's see what's in this bundle today. Okay. So here's the bundle. Y'all, I'm so excited about this. It's been sitting in my house a couple of days. I haven't felt my best, so I just ignored it, which was hard for me to do. But let's see what's inside. So they send you a handwritten note. I think that is a wonderful touch. It says, "Hey Gina, I choose some super cute boho tops for you and a pair of distressed jeans to go with them. Enjoy, Renee." And then on the back, of course, it tells you pretty much the same stuff. Take a few minutes, try everything on. Do it within 3 days, which I don't know if they count Saturday and Sunday or not. But if they do, I'm on my last day. So I got to make my decisions quick. If you keep all 5, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 20% off. That's a pretty good discount. And your styling fee is $20. So if one of y'all does use my link and decides to try out Natalie Attired, it will give me a $25 credit that helps me bring more stuff to y'all. So I really do appreciate it if you use my link. So let's get on in here, see. Then of course you have my pricing sheet. It just tells what I have and what the prices are. And here's your label. Ooh, let me not show my address. And your envelope, you stick what you don't want back in here. You drop it off at the post office, you're good to go. You do check out online though. So let's see what these boho tops are that she sent me. As you can see, I'm a little boho today too. Tops are from Maurices. Earrings, rocks box. I'll tell you all that stuff later. So this is a gigio. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Let me flip that. There we go. Now y'all can kind of see it has the reverse hem. It's this pretty little tie-dye. I like it. It's V-necked. It's super soft. It's in a size large, but it does not look like it is a size large. Let's see how much it costs. Tie-dye top. So it's $42. So there's another shirt by that brand in here somewhere. Oh, look at this. Y'all, I am a sucker for purple. I love how it is light at the top and it does the ombre. It does have a cold shoulder and a sleeve. It does, oh gosh, I'm gonna have a hard time, y'all. I can already tell you. What is this? Flawless, extra large. It says it's $42. Let's just make sure that's priced right. Yes. All right, here is the crochet hem top. All right. So right now, I can just tell you, I don't know that I'm in love with this pattern. I'll have to see it on. It's it's different up here. It's got a lighter, let me see if I can, yeah. And then it's got the darker, kind of like an off-white up here, ivory, and then pink down here. And it's a large as well. It's a flowy top, but I mean, man, it does not, it looks like it's gonna be huge. I don't know, we'll have to see about that. And that one, $42 as well. This one I like the colors in it, but I don't know I'm in love with the pattern either. It is kind of cute in a way. It's got that keyhole back. It's V-neck front. What is it? It is cotton blue. $46 in a 1X. Sienna. I don't know. I'm going to have to try all these on. They all just look rather big. Alright, I'm curious about these because she did send distressed, and normally I ask not for a lot of distressing, so if it's lightly distressed, that won't be a problem. These are wax jeans. Alright, maybe a little more distressed than I like, because I feel like my knee would show through that, and I don't know, I just feel like they tear too much. The bottom hem is unfinished, which I don't mind that as much. Just for some reason I don't like my knee sticking out of the jeans. Anyway, and they are a lighter wash. Original denim wax jeans, $49. High-rise distressed straight jeans. Size 16. Well, we'll have to try them on and see how they do. So, we'll try these on and see what we think. And I will show you my outfit for today. So, as soon as I'll always looking for the remote. I'll be right back. Alright, this is my outfit of the day. I have this Maurice's cardigan on because it is a little cool today. Also have this t-shirt on from Maurice's. The jeans are from Amazon. I think they're celebrity pink or something like that. Something like that. I don't know. I will look it up and I will put it down below. Of course, I've got my Blondo boots on that I absolutely adore. I got them at Nordstrom Rack. And my necklace and earrings are from Rocksbox. So, let's move on. Okay, I do think I forgot to introduce my kids. We got Miss Bonnie Faye and Miss Callie Cat. I think this is just too big, y'all. I mean, I know some of that is the style, but I mean, it's an extra large. They sent the right size. It just looks so big on me. And the jeans, y'all, I put my foot in and I got caught in the hole. So I don't know that I absolutely love the distressed thing. Now, I think they fit wonderfully up top. And they probably would stay up a lot better, and a lot of my jeans will slide down, and I feel like I'm constantly pulling them up. But these do feel like they fit fairly well. I just have to decide if I like the lighter color and the distressing. So y'all let me know what you think about that and what you think about this top, which is hand wash, hang dry. I don't know. Let me move on to the next. I like this one better than the last one, the way it hangs on me, but it just feels weird in the back. There's like a lot of gathering of material right here, and it just feels kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch myself back and see what I think. Give you a closer look at this. Cute little crochet. And it is hand wash, hang, or line dry, I think it says. Just trying to decide how tight it was right there. Sometimes that bugs me. Alright, we will move on to the next one. Alright, we're slowly getting better. I like this a little bit. I feel like it's pretty thin. I think I'd be worried that you could see through it. Just trying to see if y'all could see the window through it, but you can't. Still feels a little big on me, but I could probably deal with that. I do like the little bit of the bell sleeve. I think the ombre is cute. I wish it was a little more subtle in the fading right here. But I do like that the dark color is here to bring this in a little bit. So this is a maybe. I would kind of think about this. Hang on. But wouldn't you know, it is a lay flat to dry. I do want to see. Sometimes I just like it better when they're untied. I don't know why. I don't think that made too much of a difference. Not sure that I love the way it's making my girls look either. Have to think about that and watch back in the video. But there's the back, and we'll try that last top on. Yeah, yet again, I just feel a little swallowed in it. It would be a great slouch around the house in it. What do y'all think? I mean, wow, this size is looking so big on me. I know I've lost some weight, but I did go down a size. It's super cute though. I love the detail of it. I love the V-neck. I love this reverse hem it's got going. And I love the tie-dye of it. And y'all, these jeans are kind of growing on me. They fit me so well up top that I may keep them simply because of that and just learn to deal with the distressing. I don't know. What do y'all think? Decisions. I am not good at decisions. All right, well, let's do a recap. Okay, I'm back with a recap. I did bring down my camera and watched back everything to see if I could tell if I liked anything any better through the camera. Although I do like the colors in this shirt, it just looked too big on me. And it may be supposed to be too big, but it just, I don't know. I think this one is probably going to go back for sure. This one, it was just weird in the back. There is this big gathering of material back here in the back. And it makes for a very flowy back, but it also makes for a very heavy back. So I didn't think I cared for this either. So this one I'm going to send back as well. Now this shirt, I am tempted to keep because with the dark at the bottom, it is slimming. But it is also pretty see-through up top. So I might have to wear a cami or something underneath it just to keep from showing through. So I'm thinking about keeping this one, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Also, I'm pretty much the same with this one. I felt like it was a little big on me, but it was super comfortable. It'd be great for, you know, just wearing to chill with my sisters or, you know, hanging out around here. I liked that. And I thought it was a cute color and a cute pattern. So I'm just in debate on if, you know, I should try to get a smaller size. This was a large. So definitely meant to be oversized, I believe. And these jeans, I love how they fit me up top. If they did not have the distressing and maybe were a little darker color, I'd keep them in a heartbeat. But the only thing is that distressing and the lighter color is kind of making me wonder, but I'm probably going to keep these jeans anyway, simply because I love the fact that I didn't have to keep pulling them up and I didn't have to have a belt on either. So I kind of really like this. These Jag jeans, I was impressed. I actually think I have a Jag jean denim jacket in there. Have to look at that. Anyway, so I may keep these, or yeah, and I haven't decided on these yet, but those are my maybes, and the others are just going back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all don't forget to comment below, like the video, share it please, subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate everything y'all do for me. It makes me feel so wonderful knowing that y'all take time out of your day to spend with me. Thank you so much, and God bless.